it's all the sentences that creep up in my coffin. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you the best websites to search for ports in OpenBSD. This one, ports.su, is the best website to search for ports if you use a stable system. Simply go into a category, for example www, select your port and you will see all the ports available for the system. Otherwise, if you use the development version of OpenBSD called OpenBSD Current, go to this other website, openports.se, go into a category and select your port. As you can see, this version is newer than the other one. Always remember that first they make ports and later they make binary packages based on ports. So by using ports your system will be more up to date than using packages. And now you know how to search for ports if you use OpenBSD. See you later, guys.